Hello viewers, today we will discuss about the induction motor, and we discuss the induction motor rotating parts. The rotating parts of induction motor basically divided two parts. Number one is AC, number two is DC. And the AC parts is divided the two parts. One is synchronous and number two is asynchronous. Okay. And slip. What is slip? When you calculate the slip, then we consider this equation ns minus nr divided by ns. Okay, where ns is the synchronous speed, and nr is the rotor speed. Okay, and rpm. The full form of rpm is rotation per minute. rpm equals to 120 f by p, where f is the supply frequency and p is the number of poles. Suppose we have the pole value 6, and as we know the Indian frequency is 50 Hz, then we calculate 120 into 50 divided by 6, and then we calculate this equation, and the answer is 100 rpm. Okay, we can consider slip equals to ns minus nr by ns, where ns, the value of ns is 1500 and nr is 1470 rpm, and we calculate this equation, and the answer is 0.02. okay, and then we go to the second numerical, that is we consider the pole is 6 and supply frequency 50 Hz, the rpm is 920. Find or calculate this slip. Okay, at first we calculate the ns. As we know, ns equals to 120 f by p, so 120 into f frequency 50 divided by p, you consider p is a 6, you can see consider p is a 6, so we can divide it, the ns is 1000. Okay, and the nr is given this equation, nr is 920 rpm, so we calculate this equation, 1000 minus 920 divided by 1000 means ns minus nr divided by ns. Okay, this, and the answer is 0.08. Next we have a numerical, that is a 6 pole 50 Hz 8% of slip. Find out the rotor speed. Okay, given data हम देखेंगे, pole equals to 6 and frequency equals to 50 Hz, slip equals to 8%. 8% means 8 divided by 100 equals to 0.08. And now we found out the rotor speed. So rotor speed equals to ns minus nr divided by ns. Okay, and the value of slip is 0.08. okay, and 0.08, and we calculate rpm. Okay, rpm equals to 120 f by p, so 120, and the frequency is 50 Hz, so 50, and the pole is 6. When you calculate this, you can say 1000. rpm is 1000. Okay, So RPM, synchronous speed. Okay, ns equals to 1000 minus nr divided by 1000 equals to 0.08. Okay, so 1000 nr equals to 0.8, sorry 0.08. Okay, sorry, 0.08, 0.08, okay, into 1000. So when you calculate nr equals to nr equals to 1000, and when we multiply 0.08 into 1000, then it comes 80 minus 80 equals to 920 rpm. Okay, 920 rpm. It is the final answer. So I hope you all are understand. I will say one thing before the end of this video. If this video is helpful, do not forget like, share or comment, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Do not miss any update. Thank you.